Good morning, third class students. Take out your term 2 workbooks. Open page number 6. Take your pencil and eraser. Sharp your pencil, children. See here. What is hydrologic cycle? What is it otherwise called? Explain with the help of the below representation. See here, children. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, rain. First, what is hydrologic cycle? The circulation of water in different forms between the earth and the atmosphere is known as the water cycle or hydrologic cycle. Write neatly, children. THE the CIRCULATION circulation of WATER water, comma INE DIFFERENT different FORMS forms, different forms between BETWEN between THE the ERTH earth and THE the ATMOSPHERE atmosphere, IS KNOWN noun, AS as THE the WATER water, CYCLE cycle or HYDROLOGIC hydrologic, CYCLE cycle hydrological cycle. What is the otherwise called hydrological cycle? Water cycle. Okay, children. Next, explain with the help of the below representation. The water cycle begins with evaporation. Evaporation changing into condensation. Condensation changing into precipitation. Precipitation takes place like rain. Right here, THE the WATER water, CYCLE cycle, BEGINS begins, WITH with evaporation, EVAPORATION evaporation, evaporation, EVAPORATION changing, CHANGING changing, INTO into CONDENSATION condensation. Condensation, CONDENSATION condensation changing, CHANING changing, INTO into precipitation, PRECIPITATION precipitation. Full stop. Precipitation takes place like rain, PRECIPITATION. Precipitation TAKS takes, PLACE place, LIKE like, RAIN rain. Okay, children, write neatly. Next, few terms related to water cycle are given below. Explain them in brief. Evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas or vapor. This water vapor rises up into the atmosphere. Right here, EVAPORATION evaporation, IS THE the PROCESS process, BY by WHICH which WATER water, CHANGES changes, FROM from a LIQUID liquid, TO2 a GAS gas OR. See here, children. Evaporation is the process by which water change from a liquid to a gas or vapor. VAPOUR vapor. THIS this WATER water, VAPOUR vapor, RISE rise, UP up, INTO into THE the ATMOSPHERE atmosphere. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas or vapor. This water vapor rises up into the atmosphere. Next, second one, condensation. Condensation is the process where water vapor becomes liquid. It is the reverse of evaporation, where liquid water becomes a vapor. Right here, CONDENSATION, condensation, ISE THE, the PROCESS, process, WHERE, where WATR, water, PAVOUR, vapor, BECOMES, becomes LIQUID, liquid, full stop, ITET, ISE THE, the REVERSE, reverse wave of EVAPORATION, evaporation, WHERE, where LIQUID, liquid, WATR, water, BECOMES, becomes a vapor, VAPOUR. Next children, condensation. Condensation is the process where water vapor becomes liquid. It is the reverse of evaporation, where liquid water becomes a vapor. Next, precipitation. Precipitation is water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing, rain, sleet, snow or hail. PRECIPITATION, precipitation, ISE WATR, water, RELEASED, released FROM from CLOUDS, clouds, IN THE, the FORM, form OF of RAIN, rain, FREEZING, freezing, RAIN, rain, SLEET, sleet, SNOW, snow or HAIL, hail, full stop. Precipitation is water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing, rain, sleet, snow or hail. Next, infiltration. Infiltration is the process by which water on the ground surface enters the soil. INFILTRATION, infiltration, ISE THE, the PROCESS, process, BY by WHICH, which WATR, water, ONON THE, the GROUND, ground, SURFACE, surface, ENTERS, enters THE, the SOIL, soil. Infiltration is the process by which water on the ground surface enters the soil. Next, accumulation. The remaining water on the earth's surface, called runoff, flows into lakes, rivers and is carried back to the oceans. This is known as accumulation. THE, the REMAINING, remaining WATR, water, ONTHE, the on the EARTH, apostrophe S at SURFACE, surface, ALLED, called RUNOFF, runoff, FLOWS, flows, INTO, into LAKS, lakes, RIVERS, rivers and ISEs, CARRIED, carried, BACK, back, TO, THE, the OCEANS, oceans. This is noun, KNOW, noun, as ACCUMULATION, accumulation. The remaining water on the earth's surface, called runoff, flows into lakes, rivers and is carried back to the oceans. This is known as accumulation or collection. Okay children, write neatly. If you have any doubt, check one's course book page number 7 or 8. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, proper usage of rainwater is one of the techniques of conservation of water. This is a correct statement children. Write here true, TRUE, true. Next, check dams cannot recharge groundwater. Yes children, this is a true, TRUE, true. Next, various human activities are the main source of water contamination. Correct. Right here, true. TRUE, true. Water can be created. False, children. Water cannot be created. Here water can be created. False. Right here, FALSE, false. Water from ponds and tanks can be used directly for drinking and cooking. No, children. After chlorination, used directly drinking and cooking. This is a false statement right here. False. FALSE, false. Water is essential for both plants and animals to survive. True. TRUE, true. Rain is part of the water cycle. True. TRUE, true. True, 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 false, false, true, true. Fill in the blanks. In the villages, dash recharge groundwater in the natural way. Rainwater, RAIN, rain, WATER, water. In the villages, rainwater recharge groundwater in the natural way. The non-availability of sufficient water is called water scarcity. WATER, water, SCARCICT, water scarcity. The non-availability of sufficient water is called water scarcity. Next, we should drink dash water to avoid diseases. Clean water, CLEAN, clean. We should drink clean water to avoid diseases. Fourth one, vapor changing into liquid is called rain, RAIN, rain. Water vapor changing into liquid is called rain, RAIN, rain. Only 3% of the total water is dash water. Fresh water, FRESH, fresh, WATER, water, fresh water. Only 3% of total water is fresh water. Next, sixth one, precipitation may be in the form of rain and snow. RAIN, rain, SNOWN, snow. Precipitation may be in the form of rain and snow. Seventh one, we can store huge quantity of water inside the earth like a reservoir. RESERVOIR, reservoir. We can store huge quantity of water inside the earth like a reservoir. Next, matching, children. 71% of earth's surface, 97% of total water, 69% of fresh water, 30% of fresh water, 1% of fresh water. Here, salt water, groundwater, hydrosphere, rivers and lakes, ice. See here, children, 71 of Earth's surface, hydrosphere. Right here, number 1. 97% of total water, salt water. Right here, number 2. 69% of fresh water, ice. Right here, number 3. 30% of fresh water, groundwater. Right here, number 4. 1% of fresh water, rivers and lake. Right here, number 5. 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. Okay, children, write neatly. If you have any doubt, check one's course book, page numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also. Thank you, children. I will meet in the next class.